See now the wires which are, we know that at our homes the wires are coming from the poles. So what happened, the wire from the poles, they come to the, they are attached to the, like when the wires from the poles are reaching home, they are connected to an energy meter, and that energy meter is, or you can say that device is called as kilowatt meter. That is called as kilowatt meter. So wire from pole is coming to a kilowatt meter, that is, it is connected to a device called kilowatt meter, and from where it is, the connections are made with the main switch and main fuse on distribution board, and from here it is being supplied, or it is being connected to the different parts or different appliances which are worked at the which are working in the home, or different connections which are made. So the commercial unit of the electric energy in which we measure energy is kilowatt hour. What is it? It is kilowatt hour. Now what does it mean? It means that the amount of energy consumed when the appellants of 1 kilowatt works for 1 hour. So obviously kilowatt is the power of the appellants and hour is the time. So we say that electric energy, or the amount of energy which is consumed when appellants of 1 kilowatt works for 1 hour. So in this unit we are going to calculate the electric energy, or the bill which you get at home is in the form of units, and each unit is equal to kilowatt hour. So here I am just going to take up few questions, and before I take up questions I want to tell you that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how many joules? We know that the energy of unit of energy is also joule, so it comes out to be 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. How? See, it is 1 kilowatt hour, right? So it means this thing 1000 watt into 60 into 60, if we convert into seconds, right? So this is we can write 1000 joule per second, and it is into 60 into 60. So when you will solve it, it will come out to be 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. So if you have kilowatt hour and you need to convert into joule, just multiply with this figure, or vice versa, you can do that. So that means there is a conversion unit, that means you can convert kilowatt hour into joule, because 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. And moreover, you should know that 1 kilowatt hour also means 1 unit. 1 kilowatt hour also means 1 unit. So now it's time to take up question based on it. So see, we have an electric heater which is rated at 1500 watt. So that means power is 1500 watt. What would be the electric energy consumed? We need to find energy when it is used for 2 hours. So time is 2 hours. So now we know that electric energy is equal to power into time. This is the formula for electric energy. So whenever you need to calculate electric energy, you need to calculate by P into T. And suppose if I say 1 fan, it becomes 1 into P into T. But if I say 3 fans, we use the term N also. N means 3 fans. And N refers to number of appellants of same kind. Number of appellants of same kind. So I'll write here N, try to remember always N, whether it is 1 or 2, so just try to remember in the formula. So it is E, it is 1 heater, so 1, power is 1500 and time is 2 hours. So it comes out to be 3000, it was in watt and time was in hour, watt hour. But our commercial unit is kilowatt hour. So that means we need to convert into kilowatt. How? By dividing with 1000. When we divide with 1000, it comes out to be 3 kilowatt hour. So this is the answer. I think you got it. First I calculated electric energy because the power was in watt. So I just divided by 1000, and after dividing it came in the SI unit, that is the 3 kilowatt hour. That is the commercial unit of electric energy. We will also say that this is the commercial unit. One more question. A bulb rated at 100 watt. There is a bulb whose power is 100 watt. There is an iron of 750 watt. There is iron power 750 watt. There is a TV of 100 watt. So we have so many appliances. they all are used 3 hours a day. That means it is also used for 3 hours, this is also used for 3 hours, this is also used for 3 hours. We need to find the energy consumed in the month of 30 days. So first we will be taking out the energy of 1 day. So if we take out the energy of the bulb, it comes out to be 1 bulb, power is 100, time is 3, comes out to be 300, but we need in, this is watt hour, we need in kilowatt, dividing with 1000, it comes out to be 0.3 kilowatt hour. Same for iron, it is E is equal to 1 iron of 750 into 3 hours, so it comes out to be 2250 watt hour, but when we convert into kilowatt hour, it becomes 2.25 kilowatt hour. Third is for the TV, it is E is equal to again NPT, 1 TV, power is 100, used for 3 hours, 300 watt hour, converting into kilowatt, 0.3 kilowatt hour. So this is the energy consumed by bulb, this and this in 1 day. So if we ask that the total amount of energy consumed in 1 day, we will be adding all 3. So it is 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 2.25. So it comes out to be 2.85 kilowatt hour is the energy consumed in 1 day. And you have been asked for 30 days. So this is 1 day energy. So for 30 days you will be multiplying with 30.